Ever wondered how businesses, big and small, manage their global finances seamlessly? Or perhaps you're curious about a fintech solution that could streamline your international payments and currency exchange? Today, we're diving into the world of Airwallex, a global financial platform that's revolutionizing the way businesses operate across borders. 1. Simplifying global payments. Seamless cross-border transactions, Airwallex makes international payments as easy as domestic ones. With just a few clicks, you can send money to almost any country in the world. Multiple currency accounts, hold and manage multiple currencies in one place. This eliminates the need for multiple bank accounts, saving you time and money. Competitive exchange rates, get the best possible exchange rates on your international transactions. 2. Empowering businesses with financial tools. Virtual cards, issue virtual cards for specific purposes, controlling spending and improving security. Corporate cards, empower your team with corporate cards that offer flexibility and control. API integration, integrate Airwallex's API into your existing systems for automated workflows and seamless financial operations. 3. A global network of partners. Global reach, Airwallex has a vast network of partners worldwide, ensuring smooth operations and local support. Regulatory compliance, rest assured that your financial transactions are compliant with international regulations. 4. Enhanced security and control. Robust security measures, Airwallex prioritizes security, safeguarding your financial information with advanced encryption and fraud prevention technologies. Real-time tracking, monitor your transactions in real time, ensuring transparency and control over your finances. 5. Exceptional customer support. Dedicated support team, Airwallex offers dedicated customer support to assist you with any questions or issues. Multilingual support, receive support in your preferred language, ensuring effective communication and problem solving. In a world of increasingly complex global finance, Airwallex emerges as a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. By simplifying cross-border payments, offering a suite of financial tools, and prioritizing security and customer support, Airwallex empowers businesses to focus on growth and innovation. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.